Students, today we will discuss some units of the radiations. That radiations can be expressed in number of units, and the important units are number first, rad, RAD. Actually, RAD stands for the radiation. The action of ionizing radiation on matter is proportional to the absorbed dose of radiation. The radiation is the most commonly employed unit, and it is defined as that one radiation designated by small r is equal to absorption of 100 ergs of the energy by per gram of the substance. In joules it will be equal to 10 raised to power minus 5 joule per gram, and in electron volt it is defined, or it is equal to 6.24 into 10 raised to power 13 electron volt per gram, because 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. If the matter is a liquid of density rho, then one radiation will be equal to 6.24 into 10 raised to power 13 multiplied by rho electron volt per centimeter cube. Now, different derivatives of rad are 1 kilorad is equal to 10 raised to power 3 radiations or 3 rad. 1 megarad is equal to 10 raised to power 6 rad, and 1 millirad is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 rad. Similarly, 1 microrad is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 rad. Second unit of radiations is the Gray, Gray. Gray is the SI unit of the dose. Remember, Gray is the SI unit. It is defined as 1 Gray, that is designated as Gy, is equal to 1 joule per kg. That is, when energy of 1 joule is absorbed by 1 kg of a substance, then it is known as the 1 Gray, and it is equal to 100 rads. If you correlate Gray and rads, 1 Gray will be equal to 100 rads. It is necessary to include a unit for rate of the energy absorption. Rate means how much energy is absorbed per unit second. This is the dose rate, that is dose absorbed by a material or substance per unit time. Time is taken in seconds. So, in its units will be either rad per second or it will be Gray per second. Third unit of the radiations is the Roentgen, which is designated as capital R. The Roentgen is the unit of physics of exposure dose, and this is based on the ability of the radiation to ionize the air. This is defined as exposure to such a dose that would produce in 1 centimeter cube of dry air at STP. STP means standard temperature and pressure. Ions carrying 1 electrostatic unit of the charge, and it is equal to 1 R is equal to either 0.87 rad or it is equal to 8.7 milligray mgy. Fourth unit is the RBE. RBE stands for relative biological effectiveness. It means this unit is generally used by the biologist. It is the given type of radiation. Biologists recognize the difference in the effectiveness of different types of radiations in their action on live tissues, and they have graded them as 1 RBE is taken as 1, 4 X-ray, gamma ray and beta particles. Remember, for X-ray, gamma rays and beta particles, the value of RBE is taken as unity, that is equal to 1. RBE is taken as 2.5 for thermal neutrons, means neutrons which are accelerated by the thermal energy. And this RBE is taken as 10 for alpha particles, fast neutrons and protons. Next unit is the REM, REM. REM stands for Ronson Equivalent Mammal. Mammal means man. This is given by the product of RBE into rats. Means REM is nothing but it is the multiplication of RBE and the rats. Next unit is the sievert, SIEVERT. The sievert is the SI unit of REM. Understand? Sievert is the SI unit of REM, and 1 sievert, that is SV, is equal to RBE into Grays. What is it? It is equal to multiplication of RBE into Grays, and it is equal to 100 REM. Absolute dose rate. It is the dose of radiation absorbed by unit mass per unit time. What is the dose rate? Dose rate is the dose of a radiation which is absorbed by unit mass of any substance per unit time. Its unit is definitely energy divided by mass into time, that is joule per kg second, or rad per unit time, that is RAD per unit second, or electron volt per unit second. The exposure dose rate of electromagnetic radiations is the dose of X-rays or gamma radiations per unit time. It is measured in coulombs per kg second or in rad per second. Now, radiation intensity. Radiation intensity is the energy of radiation per unit time, that is 1 second, crossing a unit area of 1 centimeter square perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the radiation is known as radiation intensity. So what is the radiation intensity? It is the dose per unit time. Time can be taken in second, which is crossing a unit area. Unit area will be taken in 1 centimeter square, and the direction will be perpendicular to the propagation of the radiation. Then it is known as the radiation intensity, and its unit is ergs per centimeter square per second, or electron volt per centimeter square per second. Now, radiation chemical yield. It is defined as the number of molecules or atoms or ions or free radicals formed or destroyed. Both. They can be formed as well as destroyed when the matter absorbs 100 electron volt of energy from a radiation. For radiation chemical yield, symbol G, capital G, followed by the symbol of the compound of interest in bracket light. Write capital Z and in bracket water. It means the water is the material which is absorbing the radiation is used. In case of the decomposition of the substance, negative sign is used before the formula of the compound. For example, G and in bracket minus negative. Minus negative indicates that water is decomposing by the absorption of the radiation. G is related with absorbed dose capital D, that is in electron volt per centimeter cube, by the relation that is capital G will be equal to capital N divided by capital D multiplied by 1000, where N, capital N, is the number of molecules formed or decomposed in centimeter cube of a given substance. So this is all about the units of the radiations.